Hello everyone. I would just like to share a couple of tools with you that I use in the computer lab, and I found them to be very useful, and the kids really enjoyed using them. First of all, I'd like to let you know that all the links that I'm sharing today are in under Google Classroom. So if you sign into Google Classroom and you use this code UU0ZNDL, you'll be able to access my computer elective class and see all the links. To start off this project, I asked the kids to sign up for one of the US presidents on Google Docs. So I just created a Google Doc and I added a list of some presidents, and then I asked them to sign up for one of the presidents, and that made it very easy for me to go back and check who signed up for which president. And the kids also, some of them forgot which president they were working on the following session, so they just opened the Google Doc and were able to find out. Once they signed up for a president, then they were able to use a website called Instagrok, and this is one of the tools that I want to share with you today. Instagrok is a search engine, but it's particularly for kids. It's very safe, and I'll show you how convenient it is. All you have to do, or all the kids have to do once they visit Instagrok, is type up the concept they're looking for. So if I type up Abraham Lincoln and click on Grok, which, the same as clicking search when you're using a Google search engine, you will get a concept map with the concept that you were searching in the middle, and you will get several concepts that relate to this concept around. And then when you click on the concept, you get this box here. And right now you're looking at the key facts that have to do with this concept. But the kids can also click on websites, and they will find a list of safe websites that they can use to find more information about the topic. They can also click on videos, and they will find different videos about Abraham Lincoln in this case. They can also click on images. They will see several images. They can click on concepts, and so on and so forth. As you can see, this is amazing because it helps the kids find all the information they need about a topic in one place, and it's very safe. And it's way less overwhelming than when they use Google search engine or any general search engine, because then they get millions of websites, and they have no idea which ones are the best, and they get so overwhelmed. But this is a very neat place, and it's very safe. You don't have to worry about advertisements or anything inappropriate popping up while the kids are doing the research. So again, this is a great search engine that you can use for any research project in your class. Once the kids found they found an image for the president, they saved it to their Google Drive. And then they found some key facts that they wanted to share in their project. Then they went to a website called Blabberize. Blabberize is a website that can allow you or the kids to create a video, but it's a unique type of video because basically you upload any picture or any photo that you want, and once you upload that photo, you can make the mouth move. So if it's a photo of someone or even an animal, you can make the mouth move, and you record whatever you want to say, so it seems as if the photo is talking. The one thing you will need to do before you have the kids use Blabberize is create a general account for the class. That way they can log into it and save their videos. The kids cannot create accounts to this website because they're under 13, but you can create a general account for all of them that they can sign into. So I basically used my email address, and I created a generic password, and I shared it with the kids on the Google Classroom, and they just were able to log in, and they had no trouble doing that. So now I'm going to show you an example of one of the videos that the kids created using Blabberize, and so you can see how they can use it in the classroom.
Hello, everybody. My name is Abraham Lincoln. I was born in August
So as you can see, the kids can create a video about anything. They can even have like imaginary characters tell a story of any sort, of any kind. I think it's great for social studies. I even think they can do science projects with it if they have a particular scientist explaining any scientific concept. And just let me tell you that the kids had a great time doing it. They had no idea they were learning. They just thought it was fun. And kids with special needs were attentive the whole time. I was extremely impressed. I have a kid who has serious attention problem and another one who have serious behavior problems, and they were both in the class, and I didn't have to tell them to do anything. They finished their projects completely, and then I allowed them to create a video just for fun once they created the one that, with according to the requirements I gave them. You can also see here that you can share the video. So if you want, you can get a website, like a web address. So if you click share it, you can copy and paste this web address to anywhere you want. So you can share it on Google Classroom, or there's also the it's called Padlet. I shared it with you last year, where you can have the kids create posts and put their initials and just paste the website so they can all be on the same place. And you can share it with parents, or you can use it however you want. So I hope you find this useful, and let me know if you need any help implementing any of these tools. It would be my pleasure. Thank you.